Water is a basic necessity for one and all. The provision of safe and adequate drinking water to burgeoning urban population continues to be one of the major challenging tasks. Lack of safe drinking water can undermine the health and well-being of people, particularly the urban poor and economically weaker sections. In India, people are largely dependent on rainfall for their daily water needs. Rains in India are mainly due to the monsoon. In generally, the monsoon season of India occurs from June to September. This means that most of the rain falls in a few months of the year. Despite nature's monsoon gift, failure to sustain water availability underground has resulted largely from the loss of vegetation cover, diversion for high water demanding crops, and pollution from industrial effluents and urban wastes. Irrigation methods like dams, tanks and canals have been used in various parts of India since ancient times. These were managed by the local people. They assured that the basic minimum requirements for both agriculture and daily needs were met throughout the year. Rising demand for water in urban communities due to population increase, commercial and industrial development, and improvement in living standards is putting enormous stress on easily and economically exploitable water sources. It has therefore become necessary to initiate measures for effective and integrated approach for water conservation like in rainwater harvesting. We know that water is the most important resource for all the human beings, animals and trees. We can't live without water. If there is no water, people, animals and trees all will die. So, can you tell why do we need water? We need water for drinking, cooking, cultivating, washing, cleaning, bathing, transporting, farming, living and electricity.